Okay. Don't watch me throw this extra.
Oh my god, you guys are so dangerous.
Let's get.
Hi, welcome to George's Rest.
Keep the.
Lumberjack mark in his territory. Okay. One with the X.
You want to take turns?
Blend in here.
Hey, if I go and hide, right? You want me to go and try to hide and then you try to find me.
Okay.
Then I'll jump out.
Sure, go ahead.
I'm gonna go behind you. Okay, you don't come first,
Mm-hmm.
When I tell Mark to tell you to come, then you come.
Okay.
I'll be in some general direction behind you, okay? Want me to go and give it some beer?
Dude, you'll fight you, dude.
Want me to go and fight it?
Jesse, you want to fight the kangaroo?
I don't want to fight the kangaroo. I'll probably lose.
I'm freezing. I don't know how am I gonna survive tonight again. We have reached our final destination, so no more canoeing, no more kayaking.
Well, the camping was fun though, except last night when it was fucking cold and we were shivering.
Yeah, last night was bad.
But spooning Jessie was quite nice. No, but the point of this was so that
You don't scratch the bottom, right?
yeah,
Thanks, boat. Wow, which part of his face is red? Every part.
Everybody, look at this, man.
Oh!
Oh my.
What are your thoughts?
I like. Very fun. Fun.
I will
good experience.
I'll never do this again, man.
I wouldn't do it again. But I wouldn't do 3 days tonight.
I will
Today
do
100%.
it. I will do it again.
You do this shit again.
Yeah.
Really not. Why are you regret?
No, we don't regret. But I won't do it. I won't do it again.
Because none of my body feels like my body anymore.
1, 2, 3.
Sugar butter bread!